Dear students, yesterday I had given you practice questions from chapter 6. I hope you all have done these questions. The question was divide and check your answer. I will show you the solutions of few questions here and will share the answers of remaining questions. Kindly see your solution and check that if you have done correct or not. If done correct, then okay. Not done, then kindly check yourself and correct your mistakes. And those who don't know still how to do the division and how to check the answer after solving the division, kindly look forward to the video and understand the question. So I'll explain you question number D first of all. Question number D, I'll explain here how to divide this and how to check the answer. 1175 divided by 5. 1175 divided by 5. Okay. The question is D, I'm explaining. 1175 is to be divided by 5. So first of all, we'll make a column divisor and this is the dividend. First step is to see that the divisor which is given is smaller or bigger than the first digit. You can see here the divisor is greater than the first digit, right? So when the divisor is greater than the first digit, then for sure the first digit will not be divisible in its table, right? If this number is greater than this number, that time this number is unable to divide in 5. Therefore, we will take 2 digits together. Why are we taking 2 digits together? Because divisor is greater than the dividend. Keep in mind this thing. When divisor is greater than the dividend's first digit, that time we will take 2 digits together. Okay, in the table of 5, 11 do not come. In 2 times we get there 10. We'll subtract, 1 will remain. The next digit will be followed with the remainder. In the table of 5, 17 do not come, but 3 times we get 15. Therefore, 2 will remain. Again, the next digit will be followed with the remainder, and in 5, 25 comes 5 times and both of them will be subtracted to get 0. Here we are done with dividing. Now we are about to check our solution. For checking the solution, we have a formula, that is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the formula. What does this formula say now? If we are multiplying the divisor, that is 5. If we are multiplying the divisor, that is 5, with the quotient, that is 235, and in this multiplication when we add the remainder, that is 0, we will get the answer which is dividend, that is 1175. So we will multiply and see. 5 5s are 25, 2 carried. 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17, 1 carry. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11. We are multiplying and we get 1175 plus 0. When we add 0 in any number, we get the same number. If you see, this 1175 is same as the dividend given 1175. Therefore, the solution is correct. I hope the method is clear to everyone. The main thing which we have to keep in mind is how to begin the division. Very simple it is. The divisor which is given, if it is greater than the first digit of dividend, that time we will take 2 digits together and solve. Question number D is done. In the next clip, I'll explain one more question from the given practice paper.